Gryphon Wet belt sander. It's got a plastic drive gear. This is all metal. Plastic pan, plastic cover, or metal cover over the motor. Housing for the motor is plastic. It's pretty good quality. It's got a retail of about $250, I think. Pretty easy to use. You just turn this to adjust the tension on the belt. Fill this with water and turn it on. It's a dandy. Comes with some extra belts that a couple different flavors. Don't have much use on any of the belts. The unit itself doesn't appear to have been used much. Runs fine. Goes to the high bidder on eBay.